Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking scope and immediate deliverables so you don't drift. Once scope is clear, pick a tech stack, CMS, front-end, back-end, and DB so dependencies align. Make quick hosting and CI/CD decisions to avoid later blockers. Then gather brand assets, content outlines, a sitemap, and basic 1/2 templates. This accelerates design and dev. Finally, create a short task list for week 1, assign ownership, and schedule a 30-minute kickoff to begin actual work. You move into building with a clear order. Set up the repo, branching model, and CI pipeline so merges are safe and fast. Once done, implement the core pages, home, product, contact, using mobile-first layouts to reduce rework. Make sure to enforce code reviews and automated tests. This prevents regressions. Next, integrate external services, APIs, payments, analytics. Use a staging environment and feature flags to roll out incrementally. Keep daily stand-ups brief to track blockers and adjust priorities. You finalize by auditing accessibility, performance, and SEO, then fixing the highest impact items so the site is reliable. Once those pass, prepare a rollback plan, backups, monitoring, and SLOs. Update DNS during a low-traffic window. After launch, run user testing and heat maps to validate assumptions and triage any bugs via your board. If performance drops or regressions occur, check logs and recent deployments first. Revert a single change if needed, then apply a targeted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.